welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Steeler XLM in the last 1 hour and the last 2 hours. So before starting this video, if you don't subscribe my channel, please hit the subscribe button and kindly subscribe my channel for more this kind of videos. Now let's see what's the price prediction of Steeler XLM in the last 1 hour, in the last 2 hours. Let's see the live price prediction. As you can see here, first of all we see the last 2 hour result of Steeler XLM. Oh my god, as you can see here the Steeler XLM price prediction chart. So the graph tells us that in the previous last hour they take a jump, but unfortunately now currently they are in the falls. As you can see here the graph, they currently is in the falls, as you can see here. So they at this time they are in the fall, so it's not a best time to buy our Steeler XLM and make up money. It's not a best time. It's the best time to sell it and be safe from those, because they are falling down with step by step, every hour by hour they fall down, take a little jump and falls more than the jump, as you can see here. And the price change is in about positive 0.53% occur in the last 2 hours, and the high price of Steeler XLM in the previous 2 hours is about $0.411341 is the high price of Steeler XLM in the previous 2 hours. So that's the live price prediction of last 2 hours. Now let's see the live price prediction of last 1 hour. What's going in the last 1 hour? Let's see the last 1 hour result of Steeler XLM. Please share your opinion in the comment box. Is it a best time to buy, or is it a best time to sell a Steeler XLM cryptocurrencies? Please share your opinion in the comment box. As you can see now the last 1 hour result of Steeler XLM, so it's clear that the Steeler XLM take a small jump in again after a jump they take a double more greater than jump after this jump. There, as you can see here, small jump greater than jump, as you can see here, greater the jump. So at this time the changes of Steeler XLM in the last 1 hour is positive 0.5%. Soon they are in negative. So my suggestion that the changes as a negative before, please sell it and be safe from loss. My suggestion, that is only my suggestion. Please, I'm not ordering you buy a Steeler XLM. That is my suggestion to sell it. As you can see here, and the high price of Steeler XLM is about $0.411341 is the high price of Steeler XLM. So that's the live price prediction of last 1 hour, of last 2 hours. You are watching now on ABS Tech channel. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and update about cryptocurrency markets.